If you love a layered look, but you only have one piercing, these really get the job done. A 12 millimeter Huggie hoop gives that double hoop vibe without committing to a second hole. 12 millimeters, the size hugs the lobe nicely. We love the CZ detail. Subtle little sparkle. Very cute. Subtle. No disco ball energy whatsoever. The hinge closure is very secure and easy to navigate. Lightweight for everyday wear. Great for that stacking illusion. Perfect for everyday wear. Good budget fashion trend pieces. Ideal if you want sparkle without, it's a smart choice for teens or the young adults building a jewelry stack. Highly recommend if you want something that looks styled and intentional without trying too hard. This is an easy grab and go. Just so cute and simple.